next scenario. Okay, this is really light enough. I'm sorry. Um, okay, this is the mobile data, the user ID, mobile data, incoming, outgoing. And what was the requirement? Was to month-wise incoming and outgoing data. Okay, okay. So say when I say select star from mobile data, I've entered all the data, and then what is the maximum incoming and outgoing for the particular month? Let me just run the output and see. It is really long. User ID, uh, 12345 is the user ID. It is for January, the February and January. They wanted to know how many calls are mobile number, message type, incoming and outgoing. They wanted I will have to see this. I'll just check the requirement. Here it is. Give me one minute. Let me check the requirement. Yeah, yes. I was able to get the problem statement for this. It says find the user IDs which are having more outgoing messages for the February month compared to the Jan month. So okay, so though I have I have entered some 6, 7 records, but I've taken the user ID 12345. So if you go to see 12345 for the month of January, he had one outgoing for the month of January. Then for February, he had two, and so if you go to see for January also he has two records, and for February also he has got only two records. It's very nice. And to the mobile number, okay. To which mobile number? So if you go to see to the mobile number ending with 566, I've taken this. But in this case, I'm getting a difference of one. Select user ID. Let me refresh. Sorry. It's a long query. Mm. So let me run the inner query. Sorry. Sorry, I forgot to resume. Sorry. Sorry, I'm sorry. Mm-hmm. My manager keeps pinging me. Okay, where was I? Okay, let's take that. Okay, this I got. I changed the date format. Whatever. So, date format. What I could get. I wanted the output. I extracted the month from this particular data. So if you go to see Jan, Feb. Okay, that's the first thing which I did. Then I'm select user type count star. Okay. Okay. So for the month of February, it has got Jan, Jan, and it should have showed me. Okay. This is incoming and outgoing. Okay. So it shows me that outgoing, there are two records there for January. Because I have to check out only the data for January and February. I need only the outgoing data. I'm not so worried about the incoming data. So it shows me that for this particular user ID, outgoing for February is 2, for January it is 1, and for this particular user ID, the January it is 1. Now I use the lead function for this to find out the difference between the data between Feb and Jan. So the next is the lead function. Yeah, that's this query is a little long. Okay, after I get it, then I take the difference and then I do select star. Then I got the difference and then whichever is not null. So that's how I get the output where a diff one is not null, because this is what the interviewer had asked. Find the user IDs which are having more outgoing messages. Then so I found out that this particular user ID 12345 for February he had one more outgoing messages than January. You can add more data and more columns and then you can do that. Mm,